Welcome to Dynatrace Coffee Break. I'm Daniel Carr. Let's assume you want to create a synthetic availability check for a gated page. Well, the good news is that Dynatrace has you covered there. We support basic authentication, which is characterized through a pop-up of a window within the browser. We also support web form authentication, which is characterized, obviously, the login page being embedded in the HTML. So let's assume I'm dealing with this case going, passing by such a login page we see on the screen right here. I've created already a synthetic monitor, and once I'm hitting the button down here, set up browser monitor, I can choose here between basic authentication and web form. In our case, it's web form. Then we provide here the username Tom Smith as indicated on the page before, and filling in my super secret password. Then I just need to select my locations, just doing one here, and create monitor.